Today, we will be displaying how to set up a solar generator. To put the solar generator together, you will need a few parts and tools. Here are the parts we will be using to set up the generator: the solar panel, a solar charge controller, AC/DC inverter, and a battery. To put the solar generator together, you will need a few parts and tools: black and red wire, 8 to 16 gauge, scissors, strippers, electrical tape, 2 Phillips head screwdrivers, medium and small, wire clamps or battery cables, and we have a light as a load to display usage of energy. We are keeping everything close, so we'll only need a foot or so of black and red wire. To expose some copper, use the strippers to peel off a 1/2 inch of the coating. Strip both ends of the wire and the red and black wire. These are the lines we will use to make our connections. All of the parts connect to the solar charge controller. The solar charge controller comes in many makes and models, however, they roughly perform the same function. To store the energy, we connect the solar charge controller to the battery, starting with the black wire, which is the ground or negative. Then connect the power, which is the red wire, and the solar charge controller on our model turns green for connected. It should look as such. The black and red wires, twist the wire to make them into an easy point to insert into the parts. Connect your solar panel, first your black wire, the negative, then the red wire, the positive. The orange squares connected to the wire are fuses. They are not mandatory. Connect the AC/DC inverter to the solar charge controller just as you connected the solar panel and the battery. Black and then red, negative and positive. The AC/DC inverter allows you to plug in household items at 120 volts. The load could be a TV. Our inverter supports up to 750 watts. For our load, we have a motion sensor and a light to plug into the AC/DC inverter. All looks fine. Lights are green. Press and hold the on and off button on the solar charge controller for 3 to 6 seconds to power it on. Once the AC/DC inverter is on and the sensor powers up, the light will come on. And there you have it.